Hi everyone, this is a TinyChange 10-minute daily diary. Why is it called the 10-minute daily diary? Well, the idea is that you will use this diary for 5 minutes every day in the morning to plan your day, and then again 5 minutes at the end of the day to review and journal about how the day went. So 5 plus 5, 10 minutes. So that's a 10-minute daily diary. Now, the diary comes in two different cover options. There's a maroon color one and a black color one with beautiful designs on the top. Both these designs have gold foiling on the top, as you can see in the video. It looks beautiful when you hold it on your hands. This is the maroon colored version, say. Right, so these are both A5 sized planners, which is half the size of an A4 sheet. And these are hard covers, as you can see. Right, and this is how it looks on the back side. Both the planners also have a pen loop, an elastic enclosure, belt that you can put like this, and it comes with two threads like this, which you can use for bookmarking. Yeah, so the insides of both these planners or the 10-minute diary will look the same. So let's take one and then go through the details to understand more. Once you open the planner, this is the page where you will write down your name and then followed by some content to help you make the best use of the planner. This is where you will note down your goals and the habits for the next 3 months. Now, this is an undated daily planner or a 10-minute daily diary for 3 months. Right, so you will get to see the details inside. For the next 3 months, what are your goals and the habits that you want to build across 4 different areas of health, wealth, happiness, and wisdom. Followed by that, you will note down all the key dates that you want to remember, the events that's going to happen in the next 12 months, your ideal week design, your ideal day design, and which includes your morning routine, the workday starter routine, workday closure routine, and the night routine. And then you do a quick self-assessment of the current state of your overall wellness, right? Across the areas of obviously the health, wealth, happiness, and wisdom. Then there's a clear explanation of how the monthly pages of these planner work, and also the daily spread, right? The science and art behind how we've designed this particular 10-minute daily diary. So let's get into that. So this is a major section, which is the planning pages. So as I said earlier, this planner can be used for at least a minimum of 3 months. Every month starts with a master plan for the month, followed by the events for the month that you can note down. It's an undated one, so you can note down the dates and then mention the key events or the deadlines that you want to follow. There's a habit tracker here for you to build or break habits, key tasks for the month, which can be further bifurcated into different areas as you wish. Each month also has its own budget and expense tracker, and also a meal planner so that you can eat healthy throughout the month. Now, this is the major view of the planner. This is called as a daily spread, which repeats itself for every day for the next 3 months. So on the top, you have a small message or an affirmation, which differs every single day. As you can see, right, it's all different every single day. And then it will start with a section where you can write down your own affirmation and make today great by, followed by the top 3 priorities of the day, the most important things which will give you maximum bang for the buck. And then you can write down all the other to-do list and then bucket them into work-related tasks and personal tasks. You also have a schedule on the right side, which runs from 5 a.m. all the way to 11 p.m. You can note down all your appointments, meetings, everything that you need to remember to get done during the course of the day. And there's an interesting section here. It's called 1% improvement plan. What is a very small, tiny thing that you can do today to make a small improvement on the 4 different key areas of your life, which is nothing but health, wealth, happiness, and wisdom. This theme repeats throughout in the planner. You note down one tiny step that you can do today, right? You also have a space where you can write down when and what I ate for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. And then you also have some trackers here, hours slept last night and water intake. You can note down as you drink your glasses of water to ensure you're done at least 8 glasses every day. On the right side, so this is a planning space, which is where you will probably spend 5 minutes in the morning to note down how your day should look like, ideally, what are the things that you need to get done. You also have a note section here throughout the day when things come up, meeting notes, things for you to remember. You got a call, you want to remember something, you can note down all of that here. On the top, there's a reminder. It's called a tiny reminder, which also changes every day. So this is the portion that you will use in the morning throughout the day. And then once you close your day at the end of the day, in the evening or the night, this is a reflect and journal section. Now, there are 4 questions under the reflect and journal section. The first question with a star is different every single day, right? So today, the question is, what is going well in your life right now? Tomorrow it will be, what is something that you love now that in the past you would have never imagined you would like, right? So it changes every single day. These have been carefully selected and drafted so that once you complete using this diary for 3 months, you would have covered various aspects about yourself. You would have gotten a better understanding about who you are, what you like, what your interests are, what you want to do in life, etc. Now, the other 3 questions are standard every single day. The first question is best things that happened today. Second is today I'm grateful for. And the third one is about how I will improve tomorrow. So 3 standard questions, 1 different question every single day. So this is the guided journaling part every day, which possibly will take around 5 to 10 minutes. So 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the evening. That's how the 10 minutes daily diary concept. Now you also have trackers for overall productivity that you can make a self-evaluation at the end of the day, and overall mood too. So this is a daily spread of the 10-minute daily diary, and this repeats for the entire month, and then a new month starts, right? So since there are and at the end of the month there's also a month end review, then the next month starts, right, the same way. So there are 2 pages every day, so thus this 10-minute daily diary lasts for 3 months. And then at the end of this, you also have a lists and notes section where you have things like daily exercise tracker, 100-day projects tracker, self-care ideas to try out, things I want to buy, place I want to visit, stress management plan, people who inspire me, things I did for others, compliments I received, and my favorite moments. You also have 4 sheets of planning stickers that you can use. 1, 2, some of them have gold foiling on top, 3 and 4. You also have some free dot grid pages which you can use to write down your notes and other things. You also have a calendar for reference here, and then there's a pouch on the back side for you to keep some of the things that you want to do. And that's it. So this is the 10-minute daily diary. So if you are somebody who loves planning as well as journaling, right? You want to plan at the start of the day and then tick off the to-do items, and then at the end of the day you want to sit down, take a pause, and then review how your day went, take some learnings, and then move forward. This is the best option for you available. So that's it. Thank you.